To switch on the power of scooter, we just need to press and hold the control button for 3 seconds, then we'll see the figures on the display. The number on top is showing real-time speed, followed by the speed setting options in green figures. The bottom line is battery scales. To set the speed, we just need to press the button once. It switches to different speed levels. The S level means maximum speed, which is about 25 km per hour. If you feel that's too fast, you can also switch to the Eco mode, which means 10 km per hour. The D level means 20 km per hour. We could also double press the button to turn on the flashlight. The handlebars are wrapped of high-class rubber with anti-slip articles, which is very comfortable to hold. Toggle the bell switch to ring the bell, loud and clear. The accelerator is under the right handlebar, super easy to reach. The tire of this scooter is honeycomb wheel design, no need to inflate, strong and durable in use. The rear tire is strengthened with a fixing bracket attaching to the mudguard, so it's more firm and safe to ride. We can also see the special disc design for the brake system. All of these designs are to serve for the same goal, safety. When the battery is low, we could easily charge from the port under the foot pedal. After the ride, we could fold the scooter by pulling away the lock and hook the rod to the bracket of the rear tire, just like that. The battery group and controller are both contained under the pedal. The whole scooter body is waterproof, even the batteries and controller are. Let's see how it works. Firstly, we tried the scooter on regular road condition. It's a cool ride. Now the amazing part comes. We ride it in a creek. The water depth is almost 25 to 30 centimeters. The scooter still kept running without any problems. Wonder why? That's because the waterproof design of the controller and batteries. Let's feel it more closely.